Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Toyota Camry radio, full guide. Start by disconnecting the battery ground cable and removing trim panels carefully, then unbolt the radio and label each connector. Inspect the antenna, fuses, and wiring harness for corrosion or loose pins. Test the radio with a known good power source before reinstallation. Reassemble trim, reconnect battery, and verify audio and controls function properly and display. Walk through common symptoms and quick checks to isolate the radio fault. Begin by checking the fuse panel for blown fuses labeled audio or RAD, then test voltage at the radio connector with the key on. Inspect antenna connection and antenna amplifier if available. Swap a known working radio if possible, or use a bench power supply to confirm unit power. Note any error codes and unusual noises during testing. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video, it helps a lot. Quick recommendation: the meal prep containers seen here make cleanup simple and stay leak-proof, perfect when working on cars. I'll share recommended tools and parts in that description to save you time. Check the description for the link and other deals related to tools and parts. Thanks for supporting the channel and keeping these tutorials going. Now let's get back to the video. Once you identify the issue, choose the proper repair path. Replace blown fuses and corroded connectors, replace damaged wiring harness sections, or clean and receipt connectors with dielectric grease. For faulty head units, consider repairing circuit boards or replacing the radio with a compatible aftermarket unit. Reprogram keys or settings if necessary, and test steering wheel controls, Bluetooth, and presets. Keep a tidy workspace, and take photos during disassembly for easier reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.